Hello, good morning everyone. Hello guys. How's your morning? How's your day? I hope you have a good day everyone. So tayo guys, ito naman ang morning natin guys. Morning routine. Coffee, morning. Musta kayo dyan guys? I hope everything is okay. Kape tayo guys. Kape. Meron talaga akong maalala nito guys pag ganun no. Pag ganito ba yung bread, ganun. Itip mo. Na ano talaga ako. I had someone to remember about that. Charis na ayaw niya talaga magganon. Ayaw niya talaga isaw-saw yung yung tinapay ganon. So, that's good naman because he teach me well. Pero wala naman siya ngayon, so I do it again. Yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching guys. Have a good day and keep safe. See you again in next. God bless us.